Kamusta kayo mga ka-Sports Scouts? Bago ang lahat, congratulations sa ating Gilas Pilipinas National Basketball Team for winning the Asian Games Basketball Gold Medal na naging mailap sa atin for 6 decades. Yes, tama ang narinig nyo, mahigit 60 years na tayong hindi nananalo ng ginto sa larong ito na talaga namang numero 1 sa lahat ng Pilipino. Kakaunti ang naniwala o umasa na mananalo ang koponang ito na masasabi nating mabilis ang binuo at halos 2 linggo lang ang ensayo at training sa familiarity sa sistema ni Coach Tim Cone. Pero kasabay ng ating pagkapanalo, mainit na usap-usapan ngayon ang di umano ay pagtanggi ng 2 players na maglaro ng libre para sa bayan. At humihingi di umano ang mga players na ito ng kapalit o ng kabayaran sa serbisyong ito para maglaro sa Gilas dito sa katatapos pa lang na Asian Games. Ayon kay PBA Chairman Ricky Vargas, may 2 players sila na tinawagan dahil na rin sa kahilingan ni Coach Tim Cone. At ang unang player nga dito ay nagsabi na willing siya na maglaro at kausapin daw ang kanyang manager. Pero sinabi ng manager na humihingi ito ng bayad para maglaro. Nang tanungin kung sino ang mga players na tumanggi ay hindi na ito sinagot ni Mr. Vargas. Sa balitang ito na umani ng napakaraming social media engagements at comments at base na rin dito, makikita mo na marami nga ang nagsasabi na isa marahil na tumanggi ay ang isang foreign player mula sa PBA sa isang sikat na team. Sino kaya ito na mistulang walang patriotism at inuna pa maniguro ng bayad bago ang serbisyo sa bayan? Ayon naman kay Gilas Asian Games Team Manager Al Francis Chua na lahat ng players kasama sina Ange Kwame at Justin Brownlee ay tinawagan nila at ni isa dito ay hindi tumanggi at ang maganda hindi sila naniguro ng bayad o humingi agad ng bayad. Kaya naman mas lalong humanga ang mga fans sa Gilas lineup na ito dahil ipinakita nila ang totoong pagka-Pilipino nila at totoong pagmamahal sa bansa.
Now let me also tell you a story because I was on the phone. I was on the phone and I spoke to one player that we wanted to play for the team. He said, "Yes, I love the country. I will play for the team." And then he says, "Talk to my manager." Then the manager came back and says, "He will play as long as you pay him." Then I went to Al Francis and to Tim. I said, "No, we're willing to support you. We're willing to bring this player in. We need this player badly, but this is the amount of money he wants." And then Tim and Al Francis said, "No, he's asking for the moon. It's going to destroy the team. That amount of money he's asking for is even greater than what we pay for in our own naturalized player."
Sir, sino yung player?
I'd
Willie Marshall.
rather not say that. But he was not the only one.
Oh,
There was another one that we also asked and was also asking. And Al Francis said flat no. And it was a battle cry for us. We will play because you truly love to play and you came here because you wanted to play. We're not forcing you. So that was our first statement to everybody in that room. You're here because you want to play. If we're forcing you to play, you can leave the room. And it was made very clear by Al Francis. Everybody wanted to play, including those 4 players who practiced and later on we said could no longer play, no, because they were not in the list. They were literally crying because they wanted to play. So iba yung team na to. I mean, this team was composed of, they're not the best on paper, and you might criticize us for not getting the best on paper, but they were the best team in Asia. So that's what happened. Not the best, but the best team in Asia because
Sure.
they all wanted
Yeah.
to play.
yeah.